What's up, guys, and welcome back to another motherfucking episode of Why Would You Do That? I'm your kind of drunk and cold in this wind host, not Slim One. Join with me this week is Gizmo. What's up, dog? Also this week on the show, we're joined with the Iceman. What's up, bud? Not too much hand touching. We're on location this week in Lunchbox's backyard. It's just running around pandemonium. What's up, Box? Thanks for letting us come over. Also, for the first time in a minute, we haven't seen Jafar either. What's up, Jafar?
What's going on, buddy?
Oh, we don't have to fucking air high five in the backyard, bud. We can go.
We got all the room in the world.
Excuse me. This week, we're taking on the Mad Dog 357 Carolina Reaper Sucker Challenge. And that's about as aggressive as I'm going to get for the rest of this show. Because this sucks. So we got ourselves some Carolina Reaper Stinger suckers. They're basically just suckers that are infused with Carolina Reaper peppers. But the Iceman, what's up with you? You got a ghost pepper one. Show him the label. 1 million Scoville heat units. Mine is 2.2 million Scoville heat units. Look at these guys.
2.2.
Oh. 1.4. What's yours? The Trinidad Scorpion.
What's that black thing on the back, dude?
1.4. I'm hoping he gets down to that.
Also, here, I can get my thing open.
The Mad Dog?
Now. Also, what we're doing to make it the 357 challenge is we're going to dip it into this Mad Dog 3. Show him the bottle.
I already did.
Yeah, we got it.
So, fuck, man. Come and watch the dip, too. It's fine.
Yeah, then you gotta take this away from me.
This is the Mad Dog 357 Carolina Reaper sauce. All these things have been donated to us generously by Crystal. So thank you. Say thank you to Crystal.
Thanks, Crystal.
Cheers.
Come on, is that fine?
That's
is that fine?
Yeah, that's.
Oh my gosh. Let me get a couple more drops off. Fuck, dude. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Just spin it like this so it don't fall off. Oh my goodness.
Ah, shit.
Alright, also this week we gotta come on in and hang out with us, man. Also this week we got Jizzmaster Zero holding down the time with us. You can stand there. You might be out of the shot. You can stand behind us. Alright. Alright, sweet. Oh fuck. So then without further ado, let's get
I don't want it.
then without further ado, let's get it on with the rules! This week the fucking contest sucks. It's pretty simple. It is a race, and the first to finish wins, or we're gonna do it for 3 minutes, right? And whoever has the most eroded what is the different word? Do I sound like an idiot?
The smallest sucker wins.
The smallest sucker wins after 3 minutes. Right? Are you going to come and hang out with us?
I got the timer.
Yeah, we can do whatever we want, man. We don't have to be. Come on in
I
here.
thought you
and
said
hang
you were
out
going
with
to
us.
drink that.
Alright, so you want to count us down? Okay, fuck, man. So we're going to do 3 minutes and then smallest sucker wins. No biting, no chewing. Licking and sucking only. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, fuck.
A little bit warm, is it? Oh boy. You guys still got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
All of that.
my god. What the fuck? Oh, my fucking face burns. Fuck. What we got?
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Put him in, put him in. Who?
Oh, fuck you guys.
You?
I don't know.
Him? You? Not me.
Iceman.
Not me. Not you.
No, Iceman.
I think mine looks the smallest too.
It's the clearest.
got me on the one
Oh my god.
Not as hard as I thought it'd be.
I swallowed the sauce. Me too. We have nothing to cut the heat either. Fuck! Alright, congratulations, Iceman.
Oh, is that what they call it?
Good job. Congratulations. Good job, everybody. for playing. Oh my god. No, I'm good. Drink that,
Knock
drink
your
that.
suckers.
Take a sip for the
Knock your
camera.
suckers. Cheers it.
Cheers, bud. That's a brave fucking soul there.
Alright, that's enough of this bullshit. Okay. Oh,
Oh, my face burns.
My mouth is on fire.
okay, that's it. Thanks. Thanks for watching this episode of Why Would You Do That? Stay tuned next week for an all-new episode of the show. Like what we do after 10 p.m. All the other shit we say. Thanks for coming back on the show, you guys. Don't be strangers. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. Stay tuned for an all-new episode next week. Peace.